Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Hope you're all keeping well. Today I've got a really nice recipe for you. It's called Marry Me Chicken. It's the perfect recipe for Valentine's Day or any other time of the year. It is really nice and you're going to love it. What I love about this recipe is that everything in the recipe can be bought in the local store. There's nothing worse than making a dish and you can't get something that's listed in the ingredients. Well, you won't have any problems with this one. Okay everyone, let's make Marry Me Chicken. Now the first thing we're going to do is prepare the chicken. Into a large bowl I'm adding some plain flour and salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix to combine. Now I'm going to start adding the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. I've taken the bone and removed the skin from them. You can use chicken breasts either. I find that chicken thighs have more flavour in them, they're nicer and they're actually cheaper to buy than chicken breasts at the moment. Mix until the chicken is completely covered in flour. This is ready to fry. Into a hot pan, pour in some oil and add a little butter. When the oil and butter is melted and sizzling, add the chicken. Give the chicken a little shake to remove any excess flour from it. Fry on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Turn the chicken and you can see that's a lovely golden colour. Cook for a further 5 minutes before removing from the pan. Set to one side while we make the creamy sauce. Add some chopped garlic to the pan and cook it for about 1 minute. Be careful not to burn it. I like to add a little of the Sundried Tomato Oil for a little extra flavour. Pour in the chicken stock and use a wooden spoon to stir and remove all the bits from the bottom of the pan. Reduce the heat to a medium-low before stirring in double cream and Parmesan cheese. Allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes. Add in the dried herbs and I'm using oregano and thyme, some chilli flakes and chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Give it a good stir until everything's well mixed in and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Put the chicken back into the sauce and let it simmer and thicken for a further few minutes. To finish off, I'm going to sprinkle over with some freshly chopped basil. Doesn't that look beautiful? And it smells so good too. And there you have it. That is my Marry Me Chicken recipe. I really hope you like it. It is absolutely delicious and there's not a lot of work involved in making it, and that's a good thing. Now to serve this, you could have it with rice, pasta. I like it with baby potatoes or mashed potato, and for vegetables, broccoli is really good with it, or carrots and parsnips. Please subscribe to my channel or follow my page on Facebook. I'd really appreciate that if you could. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks again. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.